So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to one more live session. So, as we can see here, today's topic is factorization of binomial expression expressible as the difference of two factors. So, if you have already attended my previous two live sessions, we have discussed the introductory part of factorization, and in the second live stream we discussed about factorization by the method of grouping. Okay, so today we are going to discuss this topic, factorization of binomial expression expressible as difference of two squares. Okay, so the topic seems quite complicated, but in reality it is not. Okay, difference of two squares. So this is basically an identity. So difference of two squares, I am expressing it as a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? This is an identity, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so today we are going to factorize all the questions using this identity. Okay, so before proceeding with factorization, let me just remind you one thing. Sometimes students, they tend to forget the identities. Okay, so in case you forget identities, what you can do, you can just multiply and check what the identity was. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b, so we can multiply. A into a is a square, a into minus b is minus ab, b into a is positive ab, and b into minus b is minus b square. So positive ab and negative ab gets cancelled, and then we are left with a square minus b square. So in this way, I mean, as far as possible, try to memorize the identities. If not, you can practice in this way, and eventually the identities will get memorized. Okay, so let's start with some questions. Factorize each of the following. Again, I am using the book R.D. Sharma, so I cannot, in this setup, I cannot keep the book and my notebook both. So I will write down all the questions. Okay, so factorize each of the following expressions. I hope my handwriting is visible and understandable. Factorize each of the following expressions. So the very first expression, 16x square minus 25y square. Okay, so this kind of expressions, I mean, by looking at them, we can relate, right? This is expressible as difference of two squares. Okay, and one more interesting thing in these questions, always perfect square numbers are given. Sometimes perfect square numbers may not be given. We will see what in that case what can be done. Otherwise, most of the times we will have perfect square. So 16 is a square of 4, 25 is a square of 5. Okay, so we will reduce this as 4x whole square and 5y whole square. Okay, 4 square is 16, x square is x square. I mean, x whole square is x square. Similarly, 5 whole square is 25, y whole square is y square. Okay, so a square minus b square reduces to a plus b into a minus b. So 4x square minus 5y square will get reduced to 4x plus 5y, 4x minus 5y. So this is our solution. I mean, these are the two factors of 16x square minus 25y square. Okay, so very simple. We'll try a few more questions. Question number 2, 144a square See, for solving this kind of question, I will suggest that you must memorize the squares of at least 1 to 30. I mean, squares of numbers from 1 to 30. What will happen? It will become more easier for you to do. Like most of the students now, if they don't memorize, they will think that, oh, 289. So 289 is the square of what number? And it is such that you cannot find it by prime factorization. I mean, you can find, but it will eventually take a long time, because 289 is a square of 17. 17 is a prime number. So even if you try for prime factorization, you will have to cancel for 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and then eventually you will reach 19. So this is going to take a lot of time. So I suggest you memorize all these square numbers. Okay. So 144 again is a square of 12. So we'll express this as 12a whole square minus 17b whole square. So our answer will be 12a plus 17b and 12a minus 17b. So this is our solution. Okay. This is one of the most easiest form of factorization. In fact, in the previous live streams, I have already mentioned. I mean, factorization itself is a very easy. I mean, what should I say? Easy topic. Okay. So it is just you have to memorize the identities, memorize the rules, and it is very easy. Let's solve one more. Okay. So 12m square minus 27. Okay. Now neither 12 is a perfect square nor 27 is a perfect square. Okay. So here we have to take help of what we have learned in our previous classes. In the first stream, I told you how to take out common factors. So 12 and 27. So both this can be reduced, or if you are becoming, what should I say? Let's do it first. Factors of 12. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. So 27 is 1, 3, 9 and 27. So we have a common factor which is 3. Okay. So you can take the 3 out as a common factor. Okay. So 3 into 4 is 12. So when you are taking out the 3 as a common factor, you will be left with 4m square. And when you are taking out the 3 from 27, you will be left with 9. So this 4m square minus 9 can be expressed as the difference of two squares. So I will change the form of the bracket. I will write this as 2m whole square minus 3 whole square. So our answer is 3 into 2m plus 3, 2m minus 3. Okay. So this is our solution. So we'll try a few more questions. Question number 4. Let's see, at least we'll do 10 to 15 questions today. 3a to the power 5 48a cube. So again, just like the previous question, both the terms are not square terms. Okay. So we can take common factors. So 3 can be a common factor for both 3 and 48. So I will take out 3, and we have a cube and a to the power 5. So at least a cube can be taken out as common factor. Okay. So in that case, we will be left with a square minus, so what's 48 divided by 3? 48 divided by 3 is 16. So a square minus 16. Now this can be expressed as difference of two squares. So we can write 3a cube a whole square minus 4 whole square. So 3a cube, oh sorry, 3, yes, 3a cube a plus 4 a minus 4. Okay, so I hope these questions are clear. We'll keep solving and we will just level up the toughness of our questions. Okay. Let me adjust the notebook. Okay, so we have a to the power 4 minus 16b to the power 4. Okay, now a to the power 4 can be expressed as a square whole square. Okay, and 16b to the power 4 can be expressed as 4b square whole square. Okay, so what we'll do, will this solution will be solved in two steps, or rather I should say two levels. Okay, so this is a square plus 4b square and a square minus 4b square. Okay, now this part of the question cannot be simplified further. Sorry, this part of the solution cannot be simplified further, but this part can be simplified again. So what we will do, we will simplify it, or we will break it down further. So ইয়াক আমি লিখিব পাৰো কেনেকে, a whole square minus 2b whole square. So a square plus 4b square, this is going to be our final answer. A plus 2b or a minus 2b. Okay, আৰু চাওঁচোন কি কৰিব পাৰি. Question number 6. আমাৰ আছে x to the power 8 minus 1. Okay, so here we have to, let me show you one thing. So this is actually x to the power 8. So we have a law of exponent, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Okay, so what we can do, since we have to express this in terms of difference of two squares, right? So we will write x to the power 4 whole to the power 2, and 1 raised to the power any number is always 1, no? So we can match it up. So we will write 1 to the power 2. Okay, so our first part is x to the power 4 plus 1, x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, So again, this part where we have x to the power 4 plus 1, this cannot be reduced further, so we will reduce this part, x to the power 4 plus 1, তাৰপিছত এইফালে কি হ'ব x square whole square minus 1 whole square. Okay, x to the power 4 plus 1, so this is x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. So again we will break x square minus 1, so I will straight away write the answer, x to the power 4 plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this is the solution of our factorization. Okay, okay, so we are already into 15th minute of our, or rather 16th minute of our stream. We'll try a few more questions. A to the power 4 minus 1 by b to the power 4. ঠিক আছে, so a to the power 4, a to the power 4 আমি কেনেকৈ লিখিম, a to the power 4 আমি a square whole square বুলি লিখিব পাৰোঁ, minus 1 by b square whole square বুলিও লিখিব পাৰোঁ, ঠিক আছে, তো এইটো হৈ যাব a square plus 1 by b square আকৌ a square minus 1 by b square. Okay, so a square plus 1 by b square, अब इसको फिर से फैक्टराइज करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा a plus 1 by b, a minus 1 by b, तो ये हो गया हमारा आंसर. ठीक है, see there are so many questions to be solved. I am just using, there are 46, this is a bit older version of the book. Okay, यहाँ पे questions ज़्यादा हैं, तो देखते हैं. अभी मैं तो सिलेक्ट कर करके करवा रहा हूँ आपको. Question number 8. Three plus 2a whole square minus 25a whole square. 25a square, not whole square. Okay, so first we will reduce 25a square. We will write it, sorry, this is 3, not 3. So we will write this as 5a square. Okay, so using the identity a square, I will just write the identity for you people. So this is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so using this identity we can express it as 3 plus 2a plus 5a and 3 plus 2a minus 5a. But we see that we have two like terms here having the variable a, so we'll solve it. 2a and 5a, 2a plus 5a is 7a, so we'll have 3 plus 7a, and then we have 3 then 2a minus 5a, so this is minus 3a. So this is our answer. Okay, next question. 9 into a minus b whole square, 100 into x minus y whole square. So 9 is a square of 3, 100 is a square of 10. So we'll write it as 3a minus b whole square minus 10 x minus into x minus y whole square. Okay, now we can express this using the identity. But before that, we can do one thing. We'll just multiply 3 with a and b and 10 with x and y. So our hobo 3a minus 3b 10x minus 10y whole square. Okay, so by identity we'll have a plus b, that means 3a plus 3b plus 10x minus 10y. Okay, and 3a plus 3b minus, तो ज़्यादातर बच्चे इसी में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। जब माइनस आता है ना, हमेशा केयरफुल रहना चाहिए। तो माइनस आएगा और ये पूरा का पूरा टर्म ब्रैकेट के अंदर आएगा, ठीक है। उसके बाद वाले स्टेप में हम ये नेगेटिव को, मतलब कि हमें ऐसा सोच लेना है कि -1 है, -1। सो विल मल्टीप्लाई -1 विद बोथ द टर्म्स एंड तब हमारा आंसर करेक्ट निकलेगा। अदरवाइज बच्चे लिखने जाते हैं और गलत लिख देते हैं जब माइनस की बात आती है। तो ये हो जाएगा 3a प्लस 3b माइनस 10x, और नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव होता है, सो प्लस 10y। ओके, सो दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर। अगर कभी कुछ a और b में कैंसिल आउट या फिर के कुछ एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है तो कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज इसमें कुछ है नहीं करने के लिए। यहाँ पे a b और x और y है, तो ये आपस में तो ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट होंगे नहीं, so we will keep it this way. This videos, I mean this live stream, I will upload it as a video, so अगर किसी को sorry मिस भी हो जाता है तो they can watch it. 1/16 x square y square minus 4/49 y square z square. तो सारे के सारे स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में है। 16 4 का स्क्वायर है, 4 2 का स्क्वायर है, 7 का स्क्वायर है 49। ओके, सो हाउ विल राइट, विल राइट 1/4 एक्स वाई होल स्क्वायर। इसको लिखेंगे 2/7 वाई जेड होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है, तो बस आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करना है इसमें। 1/4 एक्स वाई प्लस 2/7 वाई जेड, 1/4 एक्स वाई माइनस 2/7 वाई जेड। ठीक है, ओके। अब इसमें देखा जाए तो 81 9 का स्क्वायर है और 2 एक्स स्क्वायर वाले टर्म है इसमें, लेकिन 25 भी स्क्वायर टर्म नहीं है और 2 भी स्क्वायर का टर्म नहीं है। सो इन दोनों में से 2 को हम लोग कॉमन फैक्टर लेके बाहर लिख देंगे। ठीक है, तो ये हमारा बन जाएगा। अभी 50 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 25 आता है, विच इज़ द स्क्वायर ऑफ 5 एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस, तो इसका 2 कॉमन लेके बाहर लिख दिया। So we'll have x square बाय 81। ठीक है, सो 25/x² को लिखेंगे 5/x² और इसको लिखेंगे x/9 होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है, सो फाइनल आंसर होगा 5/x प्लस x/9, 5/x माइनस x/9। ओके, और कुछ क्वेश्चंस करके देख लेते हैं। अगेन मैं इस पेज में भी आइडेंटिटी लिख देता हूँ ताकि जो लोग अभी ज्वाइन हुए हैं उन्हें कुछ परेशानी ना हो। a² माइनस b² इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। a to the power 4 b to the power 4 माइनस 16 c to the power 4। तो ये करते जाएंगे तो और इजी बनते जाएगा हम लोगों के लिए। ठीक है, और ये ऐसा नहीं कि ये सिर्फ क्लास 8 में है, दिस फैक्टराइजेशन इज नीडेड इन हायर क्लासेस ऑल्सो। ओके, डायरेक्टली फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं भी आ सकता है बट इसका एप्लीकेशन ज़रूर ही आएगा। ओके, सो a to the power 4 b to the power 4 वी विल एक्सप्रेस इट एज a² b² होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है, और 16 c to the power 4 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 4c² होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है, सो आइडेंटिटी में अभी ब्रेक करना है इसे, तो ये बन जाएगा a² b² प्लस 4c² और a² b² माइनस 4c²। अभी इसको और भी ब्रेक किया जा सकता है, इसको नहीं कर सकेंगे क्योंकि बीच में आ गया है प्लस का साइन, और प्लस में कुछ भी आइडेंटिटी है नहीं हम लोगों की। ओके, सो a² b² प्लस 4c² और ये बन जाएगा, सॉरी मैं ब्रैकेट चेंज कर लेता हूँ, ये वाला ब्रैकेट आ जाएगा, तो ab² माइनस 2c² होल स्क्वायर। सो फाइनली हम लोगों का जो आंसर आएगा वो होगा कुछ इस तरह, ab प्लस 2c और ab माइनस 2c। ठीक है, तो आज के लिए एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं। a² माइनस b² प्लस a माइनस b। ओके, सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, ये तो पहले से ही आइडेंटिटी में बना ही हुआ है। ओके, तो इसको हम लोग ऐसे कर सकते हैं, सो विल ब्रेक इट, ये थोड़ा उल्टा करना पड़ेगा। ओके, सो विल ब्रेक इट अप एज a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी एंड प्लस a माइनस बी, इसको भी एक ब्रैकेट में डाल देते हैं। सो अभी इसमें भी a माइनस बी है, इसमें भी a माइनस बी है, सो इन दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर लेके हम लोग लिख सकते हैं a माइनस बी। तो क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे बच जाएगा a प्लस बी और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1। ओके, सो आई होप आप लोगों को फैक्टराइजेशन का ये मेथड भी समझ में आया होगा। ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। और भी आगे के लाइव स्ट्रीम्स में हम लोग और भी मेथड करेंगे, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट we'll have to discuss the factorization by middle term, splitting the middle term. So I think I should be able to cover that in the coming few live streams. Okay, so let's end our stream today. Meanwhile, I thank all of you for coming live today. You can, I will just upload the video, you can still watch it after the stream ends. You can like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Okay, and if you have any kind of doubt you may post it as comment, or you can mail me personally. My mail ID will be given in the description. Okay, so thank you so much for joining today's live stream. See you in the next one. Bye bye.